In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your templates to prevent editing in DocuSign. This is a great way to enhance the security of your documents and ensure that only authorized individuals can make changes. So let's dive right in and take this step by step. First, you'll want to open up DocuSign and head over to the Templates tab. This is your starting point for managing all your templates. Imagine this tab as your filing cabinet, neatly organizing all your documents and templates. Once you're in the Templates section, take a moment to review the templates you have stored there. Now, identify the specific template you want to secure with a password. This is crucial for maintaining control over who can and cannot edit your sensitive documents. Once you've found the template, go ahead and select it. The next action you'll take is to click on the small icon that resembles three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. It's located right next to your template's name. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a drop-down menu where you should select the Edit option. You are now in the editing mode of your template, but we're going to focus on some advanced configurations. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Advanced Options. Click on that to open a new set of controls and settings that allow you to fine-tune your template's security features. Within the Advanced Options, scroll through until you locate the section labeled Template Password. This section is specifically designed for adding passwords to your templates, adding an additional layer of security to your documents. Consider this like putting a lock on a physical document so that only key holders can access it. Next, you'll want to enable the template password option. Once enabled, you'll clearly see a field to enter your password. Type in a password that is secure yet memorable for you, something complex enough to thwart unauthorized access, but not so complex that you might forget it. Once your password is entered, double-check it to make sure it's accurate. Then, click the Save button. This step is essential because saving ensures that all the changes and settings you've adjusted are applied to your template. And just like that, your template is now password protected, safeguarding it from any unwanted edits or revisions. This is a simple yet effective way to control editing access in DocuSign and ensure your documents remain as you intended. That wraps up today's video on enhancing your document security with a template password in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides. Have an awesome day, and remember, security is just a click away.